Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English speaking and listening club. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn something very important, very useful, and very practical. Something that you need in your daily life, in school, in college, at work, and even in casual situations. The topic is how to introduce yourself in English. Now think about it. The first impression you make on someone often decides how they see you, and your self-introduction is the first step. If you can introduce yourself confidently, clearly, and smartly, people will immediately respect you and take you seriously. But if you hesitate, get confused, or make mistakes, people may not remember you. So in this session, I'm going to share with you why introductions are important, the structure of a good introduction, how to introduce yourself in different situations, examples you can copy and practice, tips to sound confident, common mistakes to avoid, and if you stay with me till the end, you'll be able to introduce yourself anywhere, anytime without fear. Part 1. Why is self-introduction important? Your introduction is your personal business card. In just 20-30 seconds, people decide whether you are confident, friendly, professional, or shy. Think about job interviews. The first question is always, tell me about yourself. Classrooms, teachers and classmates want to know who you are. Social gatherings, meeting new people always starts with introductions. Public speaking, when you give a speech, your first lines introduce you. So, learning this skill is not just about English speaking, it's about building confidence and creating opportunities. Part 2. The basic structure of a good self-introduction. A good introduction has 4 key parts. Greeting. Say hello politely. Example. Good morning, everyone. Hello, nice to meet you. Basic information. Your name, where you're from, sometimes your age or background. Example. My name is Ankit Rawat. I'm from India. Professional or academic. Information. What you do, your studies, or your role. Example. I have recently graduated in commerce, and I am preparing for government exams. Extra personal information, hobbies, interests, or unique facts. Example. In my free time, I enjoy reading motivational books and practicing public speaking. Closing. A polite line to end. Example. Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here. Part 3. Different situations of self-introduction. Now let's go deeper, because the way you introduce yourself depends on the situation. In a job interview, the interviewer already knows your name from your CV. They want to hear your personality, confidence, and background. Example. Good morning, sir, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Ankit Rawat. I am 23 years old and I have recently completed my graduation in commerce. Along with my studies, I worked as a social media manager, where I learned about digital marketing and communication. I am now preparing for government job exams, but I am also passionate about public speaking and content creation. My strength is that I am disciplined, focused, and always eager to learn. Thank you for listening. In a classroom college, when a teacher or classmates ask you to introduce yourself, keep it simple. Example. Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Rawat. I'm from your city. I completed my graduation in commerce. My hobbies are reading motivational books and improving my English communication skills. I'm happy to join this class, and I'm looking forward to learning with all of you. Thank you. 3. In a social or casual meeting, when you meet new people casually, keep it short and friendly. Example: Hi, I'm Ankit. I work as a social media manager, and I'm really interested in public speaking. Nice to meet you. 4. On a stage or public speaking, when addressing a large group, be confident and clear. Example: Good evening, everyone. My name is Ankit Rawat, and I'm very excited to be here today. I am a recent graduate and currently preparing for government exams. At the same time, I run an English-speaking channel to help people improve their communication skills. I strongly believe that English is not just a language, but a powerful tool for confidence and success. Thank you for having me here. Part 4. Tips to sound confident. While introducing yourself, smile. A smile makes you look friendly and confident. Make eye contact. Don't look at the floor. Look at the person you are talking to. Use clear voice. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush, don't memorize too much. Speak naturally. Don't sound like a robot. Keep it short. Don't tell your life story, just share what's important. Practice daily. The more you practice, the more natural it feels. Part 5. Common mistakes. People make speaking too fast because of nervousness, sharing unnecessary personal details, using slang or very casual words in professional situations, forgetting to smile, saying only name and nothing else. Remember, your goal is to connect, not to impress. Part 6. Example. Intros you can practice. Here are some ready-made examples. Simple version. Hello, my name is Ankit. I'm from India. I studied commerce and I enjoy reading and public speaking. Nice to meet you. Professional version. Good morning. My name is Ankit Rawat. I recently completed my graduation and I'm working as a social media manager. I also run an English speaking channel where I share tips to improve communication. My strengths are creativity, discipline, and hard work. Thank you for this opportunity. Creative version. Hi everyone, I'm Ankit. I like to call myself a learner because every day I try to improve a little bit. I love reading motivational books, learning English, and helping others grow. I believe life is about constant learning. Thank you. Part 7. Long-term benefits of learning. Good introductions. You make a strong first impression. You become more confident in any situation. People respect you and remember you. It opens doors in jobs, networking, and opportunities. It helps you practice English naturally. So my friends, remember, your introduction is your first chance to show the world who you are. Practice it, polish it, and deliver it with confidence. Whether you are in an interview, classroom, meeting, or stage, the way you introduce yourself can change everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more motivational and English speaking content.